Hello children, today we are starting exercise 2b. Question number 1 of this exercise is express as a rational number. This is 5 raised to the power minus 1. As I have explained in the laws that if a raised to the power minus n is given, we can write it as 1 upon a raised to the power n. Right? We simply write the reciprocal of the base and power become positive. So we want to write it as rational number. So this can be written as 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1, and which is equals to, if power is 1, we can simply write it as 1 upon 5. This is your answer. Second part is 3 upon 4 raised to the power minus 4. Here base is this and power is minus 4. Firstly, you will write the power as the positive number, right? So write the reciprocal of this base. Reciprocal of 3 upon 4 will be 4 upon 3 and power will become positive now, right? Now 4 upon 3 raised to the power 4 is here. It means 4 upon 3 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 4 times. So multiply it here. 4 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3. Multiply the numerators. When you will multiply the numerators, you will get 256 and denominator will become 81. This is your answer. Next, minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2. Firstly, write the power as the positive number. What will you do here? Write the reciprocal of the base. Base is minus 4 upon 5. Its reciprocal will be, denominator will become numerator and the numerator will become denominator. And 5 upon minus 4 is also equals to minus 5 upon 4. Right? So write it here, minus 5 upon 4 and its power becomes positive now, plus 2, right? It means minus 5 upon 4 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 2 times. So multiply it here. Multiply the numerators. 5 5s are 25. Minus sign is occurring even number of times. So answer will be positive. Denominator is 4 4s are 16. So your answer is 25 upon 16. Next, minus x raised to the power minus 1. Similarly, write the reciprocal of the base. This minus x can be written as minus x upon 1. When you will write its reciprocal, it will become 1 upon minus x, which is also equals to minus 1 upon x. Clear? So write here minus 1 upon x. Now its power will become positive. And this is also equals to minus 1 upon x because power is 1. This is your answer. Question number 2 is simplify and express with positive exponents. They said simplify करना है, इसको calculate करना है and then express as the positive exponents. That means power should be positive. So solve it. This is 4 upon 9 raised to the power minus 3, 4 upon 9 raised to the power 11, 4 upon 9 raised to the power minus 10. We are multiplying them. As I told you that if bases are same and we are multiplying rational numbers, their powers will be added, right? So add the powers because bases are same. 4 upon 9, add the powers, minus 3 plus 11 plus minus 10. Now open the bracket. This minus 3 plus 11 plus minus 10. Solve it. Both minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 plus 11. Sign are opposite, so values will be subtracted. This is 2 and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus. So it will be now 4 upon 9 raised to the power minus 2. And they said here with the positive exponent, that means power should be positive. And to make the power positive, what do? You write the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of base will be 9 upon 4 and the power will be positive 2. So your answer is 9 upon 4 raised to the power 2. Next is minus 8 upon 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by minus 8 upon 3 and the power is 4. Clear, bases are same. So write the base once, base को एक ही बार लिखेंगे. 8 minus 8 upon 3. We are dividing them, so powers will be subtracted. Subtract the powers, minus 7 from this, subtract 4. Now solve this part. Minus 7 minus 4, sign are same, so values will be added. 7 plus 4 is 11 and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus. So its value will be minus 11. So right here minus 8 upon 3. Now it becomes minus 11. But in the question they were asking to write the exponent as the positive number. Clear? So to make the exponent positive, what will you do? You will write the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of minus 8 upon 3 will be 3 upon minus 8. Now the power will be positive, that means 11. This is your answer. Next, 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 3 multiply 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 7. According to BODMAS, firstly you will solve this bracket. So it will become 9 upon 11, base is same. We are multiplying them, so powers will be added. Minus 3 plus minus 7 divided by 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 3. Now 9 upon 11, solve this part, minus 3 plus minus minus 7. Sign are same, so values will be added 10 and sign will be a greater numeral, which is minus 10. So this will become minus 10 divided by 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 3. Again the bases are same, so write the base once, 9 upon 11. We are dividing them, so power will be subtracted. Subtract the powers, minus 10 minus 3. Solve this part, minus 10 minus plus 3. Sign are opposite, so values will be subtracted and sign will be a greater numeral, which is minus. So its value will be minus 7. So right here 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 7. But they were asking for the positive exponent. Exponent को positive बनाना है. So you will write the reciprocal of the base, which is 11 upon 9. Because the reciprocal of 9 upon 11 will be 11 upon 9 and then power will be positive, which is 7. This is your answer, 11 upon 9 raised to the power 7. Next part is minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power minus 4 raised to the power minus 2. Students, in laws you have studied that if a raised to the power n raised to the power m is given, what do? You simply write the base and you multiply the exponents. This becomes a raised to the power m multiply n, or you can say mn. Clear? So similarly we will do here. Here this is the base and these are the powers. So we will multiply them. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply the powers, minus 3 multiply minus 4. This will become minus 2 upon 3. 3 fours are 12 and that will be of plus sign, and outside this bracket there is minus 2. Now again this is in the form of base and then power and then again whole power. So we will multiply these powers, or we can say exponents. So simply write the base and the powers, which we call exponents, will be multiplied. This will become minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 24. They were asking for the positive exponent. So we will write the reciprocal of the base. Here the base is minus 2 upon 3. So its reciprocal will be minus 3 upon 2. And power will become positive now. Students, as you know, if negative base has even power, like 2, 12, 24, 32, then we get the positive value. It means plus. Clear? So this is also equals to 3 upon 2 raised to the power 24. Why? Because the power is even number. When we multiply minus sign even number of times, we get the positive answer. So we can simply write it as 3 upon 2 raised to the power 24. This is your answer. Next, question number 3 is evaluate. First part, minus 3 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2 multiply minus 6 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2. Here bases are different and powers are same. As I have explained in the laws, if bases are different and the powers are same and we multiply them, powers are same now, so simply we multiply the bases. A upon B multiply C upon D, and then we write the power. Clear? Similarly we will do here. We will multiply the bases. Bases are 3 upon minus 3 upon 4 multiply minus 6 upon 5, and then we will write the exponent, which is minus 2. Now here this denominator and this numerator both are divisible by 2, so cut them. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 of minus sign. Now in numerator you have minus 3 multiply minus 3, and denominator is 2 multiply 5 and the power is minus 2. It becomes 3 multiply 3, 9. Minus sign is occurring even number of times, so it will be positive. Denominator is 2 5s are 10 and power is minus 2. As power is negative, we can make it positive. How? Write the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of 9 upon 10 will be 10 upon 9, and now its power will be positive. It means 2. So here we have 10 upon 9 raised to the power 2. It means 10 upon 9 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. So multiply it here. 10 upon 9 multiply 10 upon 9. 10 tens are 100, 9 nines are 81. This is your answer. Next part is third part. Minus 16 raised to the power minus 3 multiply by 1 upon 20 raised to the power minus 3. Again bases are different and the powers are same, so we will multiply the bases. And then we will write the power once. Numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 4, so cut them. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Now in numerator you have minus 4 multiplied by 1 and the denominator is 5 and its power is minus 3. This is minus 4 ones are minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. Power is negative here, so we can make it positive. How? After writing the reciprocal of the base. Writing the reciprocal of base. Here the base is minus 4 upon 5 and its reciprocal will be 5 upon minus 4, or you can say minus 5 upon 4 raised to the power 3. Now it means minus 5 upon 4 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times, because the power is 3. Now 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. Minus sign is occurring odd number of times, so resultant will be negative, and denominator is 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So your answer is minus 125 upon 64. Next question number 4, evaluate. First part is 3 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 1. Whole power is 2. Here the power of 3 is negative. You can make it positive by writing the reciprocal of base. Reciprocal of 3 will be 1 upon 3. And the power was negative. Now it will become positive. And 1 upon 3 raised to the power 1 is also equals to 1 upon 3. So right here 1 upon 3. Divided by, similarly, this will be equals to 1 upon 4. Power is 2. Firstly solve the bracket. Write the first rational same. When you divide the rational numbers, what do? You write the first rational number same. Replace the division sign by the multiplication and then write its reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be 4 upon 1 and the power will be 2. 4 ones are 4 upon 3 ones are 3. Power is 2. It means 4 upon 3 will be multiplied by itself 2 times because the power is 2. 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. This is your answer, 16 upon 9. Next part, 4 raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 4 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 8. Bracket close, divided by 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. Power is minus 1 now. So you want to write the power as positive. So write the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of 2 upon 3 will be 3 upon 2. And the power will become positive now. So this is equals to 3 upon 2 raised to the power 1. Or you can simply write 3 upon 2 because 3 upon 2 raised to the power 1 is also equals to 3 upon 2. Clear? Now you will solve this bracket. Take the LCM of these denominators. LCM will be 8. Now 4 2s are 8. So multiply the numerator by 2. This is already 8. So no need to multiply with any number. 3 upon 2. Now this is 2 ones are 2 plus 1 upon 8. Bracket divided by 3 upon 2. 3 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 2. When you divide two rational numbers, what do? You write the first rational number same, replace the division sign by multiplication and then write its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 upon 2 will be 2 upon 3. This 3 and this 3 both are divisible by 3, so you can cut them. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 2 4s are 8, 2 ones are 2. Now in numerator what do you have? 1 multiply 1 and in denominator 4 multiply 1. So this is equals to 1 ones are 1 upon 4 ones are 4. So your answer is 1 upon 4. Next part is 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 multiply 3 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3 multiply minus 7 upon 8 raised to the power 0. Firstly, make its power positive. To make the power positive, what do? You write the reciprocal of base. Here base is 2 upon 3. Its reciprocal will be 3 upon 2. Now this power become 2. Multiply again. Make the power of this 3 upon 4 positive. So write the reciprocal of the base. Base is 3 upon 4. So reciprocal will be 4 upon 3 and its power will be positive now. Students, in previous class I have mentioned that if any number or any rational number has power 0, then its value will be 1. So here the power is 0, so its value will be 1. Clear? Now 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2 means 3 upon 2 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 2 times. Multiply 4 upon 3 raised to the power 3 means 4 upon 3 will be multiplied by itself 3 times because the power is 3. Multiply 1. This 3 can be cancelled out. This 3 and this 3 can be cancelled out. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So in numerator you have now 1 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 1, and in denominator you have 1 multiply 1 multiply 3. This is equals to 4 4s are 16 upon 3 1s are 3. This is your answer. So students, in today's class we have completed from question number 1 to question number 4 of exercise 2B. Remaining parts of this exercise you will practice yourself.